crafty friends, this is Julissa of Paper Gems by Jules, and today I am showing a very fun and quick video featuring the Chick Tribe stamp along with chicken wire background. There's two techniques that I want to show today. One of them is masking a stamp. Now this Chick Tribe stamp is actually for chickens, and what I did is I mask the other images on that stamp and then ink up the one that I want and then remove the mask and then stamp it, so that way it's just that one image. So I just kind of wanted to make this a quick video, so I apologize that I didn't show that technique, but that's how I get the one image. And you could see like some of the edges on the side, but again, another thing you can do is actually fussy cut the chicken out and then add that to your sheet. The other technique that I'm doing on here is layering to create dimension. Because this chicken is wearing an outfit, I'm going to cut another stamped version of it out where it's not including the legs. So we're going to layer that up. And then the brim of the hat, I'm also going to do another layer. So it's going to have 3 layers, so step up layers that I'll separate with thin foam squares, and you'll see that at the end. And that's how I'll create some dimension with this image, this singular image. But it's just a fun way to create a little depth in your image and kind of give a little 3D-ness to it, considering they're flat images. So right here I just used some archival ink with the chicken wire background and stamped that, and then I did some distressing to add a little flair around it. Now we'll color the chicken. So this is the one that I cut off. As you can see, that I cut the legs off, so this will be added on. And the Copic colors that I'm using for the chicken's body are YR24, Y26, and YR21. I never really thought about it, but then going on Pinterest looking up colors for chickens, they come in so many different colors. Like there's really cool speckled black and white ones. I mean, there's just so much variety out there, so don't feel limited to using these colors. I just wanted to kind of go with this kind of orangey yellow theme, and then I was going to do a pop of teal with it. But again, be inspired, go crazy. There's another card I made using Chick Tribe, and I had all of them be different colors because these girls are sassy and they are all special and unique in their own way, just like us. So find inspiration, Google, Pinterest, whatever works for you. But again, these are the colors that I'm using for it. I also use the YR18 for the beak and the legs. So right here I'm coloring the hat, but I think I was just testing. I was trying to find the right colors for the hat because this is that brim is going to end up being covered up. So I was just testing it out. But when I'm doing these layers, I do like to color the edges of all of it. So that way if you look at the card at an angle, it doesn't look like a black and white image underneath. It has that color of whatever it's supposed to be. So you don't have to color the whole image in, but you can color the edges so that way you see it. For the little dangly thing on the chicken, I don't know what that is. If you guys want to post it in the comments so I can learn from you. That I used R27 and R08 to make, and here I am using the YR18 for the beak, and then for the shorts and the ribbon on the hat I am going to use BG07 and BG15. Okay, for the hat, I don't think I mentioned it, the hat is going to be E33, E99, and E31, and I did experiment with some other colors, but I ended up with those colors, so check it out. That's pretty much the coloring. You'll see here I'm laying it on so that you can kind of see where that portion is going to be, and then that's the hat. And then I'm using foam squares. I'm going to layer this on using the other die set. It's my favorite die set by Unity. It's the scallop and stitched rectangles. I use it for almost everything. But yeah, so that's what I'm using. That'll be the pop of teal, and then I'll put it on a card base. But the rest of it is self-explanatory. enjoy the rest of the video of coloring and where I layer this stuff on. If you have any questions, please post in the comments. I do respond. I'd love to get some feedback, love to hear from you. Let me know what you want to see more of, if you want to see more coloring, if you want to see more ideas for layouts, whatever it is, talk to me. I'm all ears. Enjoy the rest of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And again, I'd love to hear your comments. Thanks so much for watching.